My heart is breaking, my heart is breaking, my heart is breaking, my heart is breaking. My heart is breaking, my heart is breaking, my heart is breaking, my heart is breaking. Everything was fine. Everything was in this whole Roe v. Wade Supreme Court bullshit that we intimidate them. We have power. And the best thing is that it's like been a unifying thing where all these other people are like, kind of like saying, wow, if they can do that, they can do this, you know? So people of color, LGBTQ, you know, it's like, so I think we need to focus on our power and we need to use it. I think that's the most important thing I've learned, and I think that we can use and stop wallowing and start working. If they can do that, they can do this. If they can do that, they can do this. If they can do that, they can do this. 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 Right, open them up, working. Open them up. Right, open them up, working. Open them up. If they can do that, they can do this. They can do this. They can do this. If they can do that, they can do this. They can do this. They can do this. Saucy passage, saucy passage, saucy passage.